Hello to everybody on YouTube. This is a short motovlog here in Tullamore town, and it's been a while since my last motovlog, but I've been having problems with the laptop, and then I had problems with the microphone and a few different things, so I've been doing a bit of testing as well, moving the camera around different places and just trying out a few new bits and pieces. So I'm more or less doing what I was told, and trying to get everything ready, or right, get the right setup first, and when I have fairly good videos to upload, I will go ahead and I'll start uploading them. So I'm still only in the testing stage, but hopefully once when I get sorted and once when I have everything the way I want it, I will I'll be putting up the videos a bit more often. I'll probably, my aim is for 2 a week. What days I'm not sure yet, because there's a few days that are already taken where there's some other motovlogs being uploaded, so I am going to try to just change it around slightly where mine won't be going up on the same day as some of the more popular ones. Not that it'd make any difference anyway, because not too many people would be watching mine anyway, compared to the bigger lads, the likes of 650 Eve. Shout out to you. And Sunaway, shout out to you, bud. Looking forward to seeing your 2017 Gixxer 1000. Like, nobody ever said on one of their motovlogs, or not that I noticed anyway, nobody ever said that motovlogging is expensive to start out. Like, so far I bought my camera, which cost me roughly maybe 120 euro. Then I had to get a laptop so I could edit my software, or edit my videos. Then the helmet. And all the other bits and pieces in that goes with it as well. Looks like I definitely didn't pick such a good time to come out this way. There's actually a big funeral on at the minute. So anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and share the video. Help me get to 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching. That's it for me. I'm out.